Hey everyone, is ueli not working properly on your Windows computer? You might experience issues like the launcher not responding, search results not appearing, hotkeys not working, or extensions failing to load. In this full guide, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix ueli step by step, so let's get started. First, completely restart ueli. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S. Locate the ueli process, click End Task, and then launch the application again. Yeah, restarting the application often fixes temporary glitches. If the launcher doesn't appear when you press the shortcut, open Settings and verify that the global hotkey is configured correctly. Another application may be using the same keyboard shortcut, causing a conflict. Next, check the Extensions section. I mean, if features like the calculator, file search, browser bookmarks, or custom web searches aren't working, make sure the corresponding extensions are enabled. Sometimes Windows itself needs a restart. Yeah, rebooting your computer clears temporary processes and resolves many software conflicts that can prevent ueli from working correctly. If the problem continues, install the latest version of ueli from the official website. Updating or reinstalling replaces damaged program files and often resolves persistent issues. If ueli still isn't working properly, reset its configuration by renaming or removing the application settings file. Yeah, when you restart ueli, it automatically creates a fresh configuration with the default settings, which can fix problems caused by corrupted preferences. And that's how to fix ueli when it's not working. In most cases, restarting the application, checking the hotkey and extensions, reinstalling the latest version, or resetting the configuration will solve the issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.